What's up fam, it's your boy Muhammad Al-Safar and we are back with another vlog. Today I got a very cool and interesting vlog for you guys because it's not the usual. So basically right now I'm in my G-Wagon and I need to get some new tires installed. So we're gonna head over to Michelin to get that done. It's about that time where I need to get some new tires for this car, but also we're not gonna only do that today. I'm also gonna go later on at night to a Michelin star restaurant. And I'm sure you guys are wondering, what does the tire Michelin have to do with the restaurants? Well, they fall under the same family, and that's because Michelin is not just only tires, it's also lifestyle. So let me tell you how they are both linked to each other. So basically, when you go on road trips, of course, you need tires, Michelin tires. And on your trip, of course, you'll need to make some stops for food. And Michelin actually made a guide starting from back in the 1900s of where people should stop on their road trip to get the best dining experience. And earlier this year here in Dubai, the Michelin guide came over here and actually put a lot of the restaurants on their list. And we're going to one of them tonight. And before we go ahead and get these brand new Michelin tires installed, I need to get this car, of course, nice and clean before the installation. So let's go in the car wash. All done. All nice and clean, and now to head out to install the tires. And we're here at Tire Plus. So just to show you guys, these are the Michelin tires I'm getting installed right now. The Latitude Sport 3, which are made specifically for Mercedes-Benz. And here comes the installation for the first tire and rim. How are you doing, brother? All good? Yeah, thank you so much. And if you guys want to check out the rim without the tire right now, they're about to fit it in right in a second. How are you guys doing? All good? Good, good. Thank you guys so much. So just getting the tires installed right now, and I must say the team over here are just amazing. They're super, super nice. And the alignment is all done. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There's nothing like the confidence you get while driving after installing brand new tires. It's like getting sneakers for your car. So I just picked up the homies. We've got Saeed and Mo in the back. And now we're gonna head over to Select Shop Frame. We're just pulling up at D3 where Select Shop Frame is at.
Yeah, but you have to park far since we don't have a Tesla.
Pulling up to frame right now.
What's up? How are you doing?
Alright.
All good?
All good, boss.
Good, good, good. So I don't believe I showed you guys the new updates at Select Shop Frame, so let me show you guys really quick. So you got a crazy selection of bare bricks over here from your 400% and 1000%. We got some more over here. So I was actually eyeing a bare brick. Do you guys still have it? The radioactive man.
We should. The
You guys have the 1000.
I'll check.
All right. I hope they have it because it was displayed here. It was over there, and I think you guys maybe have one in the back. All right, cool. Thank you. They're bringing me a bare brick that I was eyeing that was here. Now they're gonna bring it from the back. Yeah.
The last one?
I think it might be the last one. Yep.
Let's see it.
I'll show you in a second. Yeah. And of course, to complete my Simpsons set, have to add the radioactive man. There we go. It's all good. Yeah. We'll unbox them later. Thank you. Thank you guys. Okay. So Saeed went ahead and just opened 2 and got what he really wanted, which is this Batman from the mystery boxes over here. 5% chance. Nice one.
I bought more because see, like.
All right, so now he's gonna go for 4 too.
I might have. I hope it's not like rubbed off for the day because I notice sometimes it's like, you know. Space? Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
The thing is, they're all the same shape, so you don't know what you're gonna get until you open it.
I think you're way too lucky to get those balls. I don't think you'll be that lucky. Oh, Cobra Kai.
Cobra Kai.
Cobra
These are
Kai.
the real ones.
It is?
Dude, he's super rare. He's not on the box.
Oh yeah, he's
Those
not.
are the real ones. I don't know.
Bro, Saeed.
Goes to me. Super rare one. Since I'm super rare myself.
Don't forget to keep
The
cards.
cards,
Yeah.
yeah.
They're like they come with a card. Just like a little plastic thing.
Oh, flag. Oh, these are real. Also, they're in the box, but they're like.
This is 4%.
Yeah, 4%. They're in the box, but they're very rare to get. I think I need to go for a lottery, then I'll.
Terminator.
Terminator.
No way!
Got it.
Wow. Okay, pick what you want because he was gonna get it for sure. What do you want?
Gremlin.
Gremlin?
Yeah.
Gremlin.
Oh, the basic
Oh,
one.
still good. Nice, it's an app.
Wait, this is not on the box.
Yeah,
The
those
basic
are the
ones.
lettered ones. You have to spell
Oh,
bear brick.
they. Okay.
Spell bear brick, yeah.
So now,
Nice.
he picked up a few. I picked up a few.
I'm picking up the 1000%, bro.
You get me the gizmo, bro.
So the guys are happy. They got what they wanted in their mystery boxes. Thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. And now we're off to 11 Woodfire. So the restaurant we're going to right now, 11 Woodfire, is a Michelin 1-star restaurant. So they got that 1-star here in Dubai earlier this year when they came in, and they actually got to choose all the Michelin star restaurants in the region. I've never been there myself, but I hear it's really good. What's up, Sharif? How are you doing? All good?
How are you?
Good. Not too bad.
How's your Comic Con, bro?
And we're here at 11 Woodfire. Hello, how are you doing? All good? I have a yes, for Mohammed Al Safar. Yes, 4 of us. So we just got seated and perfectly right next to the kitchen. And of course with the homies.
There's the Woodfire.
And there's the Woodfire.
You can definitely.
So Sharif's been here, so we'll get a little tips from him on what to get. And of course, if you have any recommendations that we're missing out, let us know as well. Thank you.
So
So
have Coke Zero.
We just went ahead and ordered the appetizers. You guys will see everything that we ordered in a second.
Imagine if the bubble breaks before it reaches.
it always happens though.
Oh, really?
We have a gun. I'm gonna shoot.
Okay. And here's the drink.
Nice face.
So what is this drink?
It's passionate.
All right.
One of our best selling actually. Okay, then pop.
Hold on one second. So this is the passion fruit drink with the bubble that's about to pop. If you may, let's go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah.
Et voila.
Pretty good.
Do you enjoy the sauce with some chili?
So here's the kebab with smoked yogurt.
One of my favorite. Habanero chili marinated with some mustard mayo that really fits.
The beef skewers.
Allow me to actually scoop the marrow for you.
All right.
Yeah? Let me
That's
just
the
get a
bone
separate
marrow,
plate
guys.
for that. I'm gonna scoop out the marrow.
All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the beef skewer first. Wow. Next I'm having the kebab with the smoked yogurt. I'm curious to try this yogurt first on its own. Yep, you can definitely tell it's smoked. Thank you.
So the idea is to actually scoop out the marrow, spread it to the bread with some soy glaze. Let me do it for you.
All right. So I don't know if you guys heard, but he's going to be scooping up the marrow from inside and spreading it on the bread. That actually looks amazing. And now the bone marrow.
So what do you think?
Wow. I think we need another bone marrow.
Let me get for you one more.
Yes, please. It's really good. And of course, round 2 of the bone marrow was really good. Alright, so here we have the ribeye.
Damn.
Wow, this looks
Really
amazing.
nice, bro.
And the famous Maggi burger that we have. Cut into 2 pieces.
And the burger that everyone's been
We
talking
have mustard
about.
mayo and sriracha mayo dips. I'm gonna get both for you. Thank you.
I heard a lot about these guys right here. Wow, look at that. Go for it, man. Go for it.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy. Again, if you need anything, let me know.
Thank you so much. Oh, now it's my turn. Guys, it is insanely good. Wow.
Do you have any competition?
And now to try the ribeye.
This tastes like a kebab, like the end result, but or
Like something platted.
How was the burger, Saeed? How was the burger?
very good.
Of course, no smile. Oh, we got him to smile! Yeah.
Burger made me smile.
Burger made him smile. How sweet.
And this is almost done too.
Both cultures.
We just ordered, as recommended, the
Burnt cheesecake.
burnt cheesecake. Yep.
Half the cream
Here
cheese.
we have the burnt cheesecake.
Allow me to open it up for you. Should I cut into 4, sir? Yes,
Now, thank you so much. Now we're gonna try the burnt cheesecake.
After he posts this on YouTube, that second Michelin star cup immediately. Yeah?
I have to take this before I eat any dairy.
Good. Really good.
No, my words are very.
Thank you so much for the
Thank you so much.
experience.
Thank you so much.
You'll definitely see us again soon.
Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Bye. So, that was our 11 Woodfire experience, and I must say,
Pretty good, no?
pretty good. Definitely deserves the Michelin star, 100%. And they will see us back here again for sure very soon. All right, guys, so that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did, make sure to smash the like button. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.
Subscribe.
I was just about to say that.
Just like smash the like.
One second, put it up.